video, I'm going to show you two of my favorite products that I use that are really good for your skin, for your joints. If you are into heavy lifting or just fitness in general, it's really important to eat foods that will help support healthy joints and ultimately really pretty hair, skin, and nails. But this is the Flax Seeds. It is, looks like it's from Texas. Well, it's packaged in Texas. One of the main benefits is the level of oxidation, or the like the oxidative state of flax seeds. Reasons why I like flax seeds a lot: obviously they are a seed, flax seed. Another really good seed are chia seeds, but flax seeds are one of the foods out there that are really high in omega-3, as well as walnuts. They are like power foods for your brain. I will say that typically if you can go travel overseas, like in South America, you can get a lot of flax seeds for really cheap. Obviously here in America, everything is like overpriced in my opinion for food. But this is the one that I get. How I use it is I put it in my oatmeal. So I typically make oatmeal with almond milk or water, and then I add some flax seeds with some berries or like a banana. Other reasons I like flax seeds a lot is because it can last pretty long, so the shelf life is pretty good. This says the best before use of June 2025, and this was just recently bought, but technically flax seeds can last a little longer than that from what I've read online through my research. So that's flax seeds. On my Instagram. Technically, if you get pure fish oil, technically it's more affordable, or cheaper I should say, than if you get fresh salmon. So salmon from like the butcher do more, but typically you're looking at around $20 for like this much salmon. I did the math and I divided, like if you have about 4 ounces 3 days a week or so, it comes out to be a little bit more pricey than if you get the oil. I don't have the numbers off the top of my head. $40, I think $45, and this has 17 fluid ounces. For each serving, you're looking at 1,600 milligrams of omega-3 fatty acids. So compared to the amount that you get in pure salmon, one of the other reasons why I like this is because the source comes from anchovies, sardines, and mackerel. So the thing with salmon is a big fish, and the bigger the fish, the longer it is in the sea, I believe, from what I understand. The smaller the fish, the more it's like its lifespan is shorter, which is a good thing because you don't want the fish to start to eat stuff that are like not good because when they eat not so good things, then you start to eat them and you're consuming those things. So from what I've read, you want to eat fish that are have a shorter lifespan, if you will, if that makes sense. So that's why I look into sardines and anchovies. So if you are a dog person, this is really good for their joints. And then the vet always wonders why she's so healthy. And I credit it to this product as well as coconut oil. On camera. So you take this and put it in this little container, and cheers. Doesn't taste very good. I got the orange flavor and it just tastes like orange fish. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope that was useful. I just wanted to make a quick video to show you the products that I have. Flax seeds, omega fish oil. I also do chia seeds and turmeric, as well as coconut oil. Okay, I actually use coconut oil. It's called oil pulling. So you put the oil, you take about a teaspoon or a tablespoon, and you put it, you put it in your mouth and you kind of gargle, if you will, like swish it around for like a minute. I actually did it this morning with my teeth, and it whitens your teeth, it cleans your teeth. I actually went to the dentist, and my dentist was like blown away. He asked me, what do you do with your teeth, because it looks really, really good. it's clean, what have you. And I said to him, coconut oil, and he wouldn't believe me. And I said, yep. Watching today's video, of course, I have to flex on camera. And I will see you in the next video. For any video topics, feel free to leave them down below and I will check that out. Someone requested I make a video regarding hair and training, because obviously when you work out a lot, your hair starts to get a little kind of groggy if you're not taking care of it. Okay, thank you for watching today's video, and I'll see you in the next video.